People are not realizing it. EV kit market is very huge because, as I said, there are different vehicle segments. You find out the volume which has more demand. Then you venture into that, then you have a huge market.
These cargo vehicles, the small ones which are used to carry these small cargo things, used for Amazon and all that.
Yes.
If they become EV, because there are a lot of them flying on the road.
Yeah, exactly.
So
yes.
that is the segment we want to target on, not on the higher side. The people who are owning EVs, and that's a different segment altogether.
What Madam said is very true, because those vehicles, the delivery van and from the Ola taxis and other taxi aggregators, their daily running is very much in terms of kilometer. But the running cost compared to the IC engine and EV is very huge gap, because your IC engine running cost, maybe it's a diesel or petrol, because cost is almost same. So running cost will be, for a car, it will be around 6 to 7 rupees per kilometer. But whereas for the same segment of vehicle in the EV, it will be around 1 rupee to maximum 1.5 rupees. You can see the gap. It's around difference of 5 to 6 rupees. So you multiply the distance you run. 1 lakh kilometer if you run in a month, then you save how many? That's the real.
It's a huge cost benefit.
Yeah, that's the real USP. If you are running 2 lakh kilometer in 6 months, then if it is IC engine, then you multiply 6 into 2 lakhs. You are spending 12 lakh in fuel, whereas in electric vehicle you are spending only maybe around 6 lakh. This more than half, more than half the price. So that is why your saving is, that goes into the pocket of the owner and the auto rickshaw driver and the taxi drivers. That is real good. That will boost the economy of the family. Once the family economy is boosted, everybody will be happy, and they will reflect to the national in the larger picture.
I think that's the beauty of it. Like, I always believe that climate action solutions need to penetrate the zones of comfort and convenience, and at the end of the day, it need to empower people's pockets. Yes, exactly. So I think, like, this is the one element, like, you're also focusing on that. I think it's brilliant, like, to have that kind of mindset and vision for it.